Hello everyone, my name is BluMoon, and today we are going to be doing a road opening spell. But I wanted to explain why we're doing it and how we're going to do it. So, first what you need is a orange candle. I'm going to write some stuff out. Candle holder, and we are going to be doing the pentagram altar tile. And the reason why we have orange is because it is used for wealth. Now, usually for a road opening spell you use Van oil, but I am going to be doing a money drawing oil with the orange candle. And the reason why we're going to be doing it today is because today is Sunday, the 7th. And Magick today is used for wealth. Sundays are for wealth. So that's why we're going to be doing it today. So let's get to it. Alright. Now, for this, I'm going to carve a really quick symbol we all know, and you can do a sigil. You could just go with this. This is going to be a road opening spell directly just for money. Alright, just the cash dollar sign. And on the other side, what we are going to do is, usually I make 5 points. I make a triangle, and then I put 2 of the higher ones a little bit further out, and then I do the pentagram that connects to those dots. Pretty easy. Simple, effective, and that's all you need to do. Now, to charge the candle. This will only take a moment. Now, I focus my energy into the candle by looking at it and feeling the energy come up my left hand and my right hand. And I actually feel my fingertips getting hot as it's charging. So, that's how I realize on how much energy is put into the candle. So right now I am charging it as I'm speaking to you, and I'm just focusing directly on the candle. Nothing more, just focusing on the candle and my energy flow going directly into the candle. See, as of right now, my tips of my fingers are getting warmer. I don't know if you can see, but I know that they are getting warmer. I can feel them. And whenever they get to a kind of, I'd say, warm temperature, you know that the item is being charged. So, alright, we're going to stop there. Now what we're going to be doing is putting the oil onto our candle. And as we do this, we are going to image what we want to happen to the candle, as we're just given a general portion of the oil onto the candle, and we will also do this to the top of the candle as well. You can see the candle sheen as it wears, so you can just dab and tap the candle with that. If you'd rather do that, that is fine. See, with that I just got enough to do another helping coat onto my candle, and that's perfectly fine. You kind of get to know what's going on. Alright. Now, it is important that for this, that we see ourselves going down a road in a car or walking, it makes no difference whatsoever. And as we go down this road, we see doors, or you can, if you're going down a road and it makes more sense, you can see little images of like your boss giving you a promotion. Or I prefer doors because as they open, that means you're willing it to happen. So that's what I go for. So go down a road, and as you drive by, you just see doors opening, and as you look inside, you image good things happening, getting a promotion, getting a bigger raise, winning the lottery. You get a sense of internal wealth, so then you're happier. Just things of that nature. Whatever wealth means to you, you need to imagine it happening. So, and what I'm doing here is I am just circling the candle with my energy. And this is going to just make a better effect for the candle. So then better things happen. What I say is you can't have too much energy. Now, before we started this, my altar tile has already been charged. I don't charge the candle holders, but you could if you wanted to. All right, that should be it. So with that, you should have better opportunities come to you, more doors opening for you, and hopefully this will work the way that you suggested it to. So if you like this video, please share and like it, and also don't forget to subscribe if this has helped you. So thank you very much.